called the House of Manoa, and as we were trying to think of a name for it, I remembered 30 years ago when I first came to Hawaii and I went to my first local barbecue, and people were barbecuing in the front yard, and there were all these smells, and I went into this house and people were wearing prints and colors and the art, and there were even pillows that were like covering the sofa, and I was like, wow, this is Hawaii. So the concept of House of Manoa was to bring all our cohorts and our brands together and put them in one house, so it felt like you were in a home when you walked in, and there was this sense of warmth and understanding of what these entrepreneurs are doing for Hawaii. Every brand in here are entrepreneurs that have gone through the Manoa cohort process, which is an accelerator for Manoa, and they are all brands out of Hawaii. So we have everything from spices to foods and coffee, the best chocolate, Manoa chocolate, and we have fashion, and we're doing incredibly well with art. So we do well with Kuchar, we've got Lola Pilar, and we've got Zach in the back, and we're just proud to like have one place that people can shop for authentic goods from Hawaii. I graduated from cohort 2, and as each cohort came about, met more entrepreneurs, and I realized that with my background with retail and being a sales rep and being a buyer and traveling all over the world, that there was something that I could do with this group so we could create something like the House of Manoa.
Let's do this then. I'll put this in my hand.
Honey and chocolate.
Ah, honey and chocolate. Let's dip it
I've
in.
seen that done before, but
Let's try it.
go for it. Good?
It's all good. Honey on anything is good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.